We've received more than 3,000 submissions as part of our review of Victoria's recreational native bird hunting arrangements. So thank you to every one of you for taking your time to share your views. Our committee is now carefully considering each of the submissions that have been made by individuals and organisations. We've also conducted site visits to Lake Connewarra near Geelong, where we met with and heard firsthand from the Game Management Authority, members of Geelong Field and Game and local wildlife rescuers on the opening day of the 2023 duck season. Over the next few months, our committee will hold public hearings involving key stakeholders such as hunting associations, wildlife groups, academics and government agencies. The committee will also look at what other Australian jurisdictions are doing and the environmental sustainability of current practices, including its impact on amenity. We'll assess the social and the economic impacts as well. Our committee is required to report to Parliament with findings and recommendations for government by the 31st of August 2023. So to stay up to date with the committee's activities, please go to the website on your screen.